Hello everyone and welcome to DIY with Jules. Today I'm going to show you two easy and inexpensive awesome outdoor decorations. The first of these is a large ornament topiary. They cost $207 on sale. I'm going to show you how to make it for 20 bucks. You need large ornaments in different sizes. You're going to need a pointed one for the top. You're going to need a long wooden dowel so that you can fit all three of the ornaments. You're going to need E6000 glue, a soldering iron, some hot glue for immediate adhesion. You're also going to need some greenery and some ribbon. Now let us begin. You're going to take all the tops off of the ornaments and reveal the hole at the top. Turn it around to the bottom because you're going to be making a hole on the bottom to fit the dowel. You measure the size of the dowel to the ornament and use the soldering iron make sure that the dowel fits in nice and tight. If it's too small, just enlarge the hole. If it's too I'll show it, but I use gems to cover where the two ornaments connect. These are so cool and only for $25 as opposed to $207 that I saw online. Once I have them all decorated, I will reveal my outdoor decor. For DIY number 2, I have an awesome outdoor large gift box idea. I picked up these large foam coolers. I went to Walmart and picked up green, red, and gold with glitter paint. I painted all 3 of the foam boxes. I tied ribbon around them and I made them beautiful gift boxes for the outdoors. Awesome idea, if I should say so myself. I hope you enjoyed these quick and easy DIYs. I hope you would try them yourselves. Thank you for coming to my channel, and we'll see you soon. Bye.